Nowadays, when drive a 80 and go park a beast, it set me thoughts at ease. I know they want in the shield. Big up the dog, them when we standing at the rail with you.
My baby, now do social media. Your mama put. Your mama put it.
Understand, how about that?
Nice, think boys on the original red rum.
You don't tell them, man.
Oh, gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
The people, Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man. Oh, God. But they are sip too. How are you ginger in? Red pea soup, man. I think. Ryan, where you can soup? Chicken burger. Amen. Where your food there?
It's not here.
Oh, it's gone far.
The niggas ran up with my food.
Feel me dogs, me do the same. Dirty heart, I take them over, look what fame me do. Loyalty dog is all we.
Alright, yes, so welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Pleasant morning, evening, or good night, whenever you see this as usual. Yeah, man, if it's the first attuned to this channel, please, I'm asking you to click the subscribe link. Click the bell to be notified for any brand new video from this channel. And as you see my previewing at the start, viewers, Shorty a chip out run on one part, viewers. Yeah, man. Some people forward on our live and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel last son that is Ikodan is not Vybz Kartel son. You see me, and that's why in the year I say, yo, I want whatever jacket. You get me, viewers? Yeah, man, viewers. And when you don't see, say, yo, from Vybz Kartel come out, through the people them not see him with Ikodan. Even Vybz Kartel recently shared a video with all I'm big son them, World Boss Junior, Liquor Addy, Little Vibes. I will see him with Adiana viewers and subscribe. But the people them are speculate and say, yo, want to Ikodan. Wonder if at that side Vybz Kartel now deal they can find out say yo Ikodan and no fame on and one bag of thing in the viewers and subscribers, but you don't know. Me now go in and mix up there, you see me? Yeah man, Shorty say yo Ikodan just you don't know him not do social media. Yeah man, Ikodan she a grow Ikodan or him fi grow as a child. So it's him book, him tablet and you don't know. Even do what the kids them do right now.
Where's your third son? My third son near me yard. Listen, my baby, now do social media. Your mama say, and your mama put your it. I rang somebody now come over here. Me with this one from pick to them.
When you left in the comment and then you tell me what you feel about that.
Dog is all we need. Them try to put me in a mark, me can't believe. I'm not the one in the shield. Pick up the dog, them. Bono, I mean I say Demarco represent for RyanmediaTv. Baddest TV. Yeah, that. Ryan Media. Bono.
Yeah man, viewers and subscribers. And otherwise from that, yeah man, the song you want to see me preview. Demarco up on the Painless Riddim. From what day, yeah man, when you see me I take on the Painless Riddim, I'm going to bring the Riddim tune because viewers, trust me, it always a good look for see the juggling in a dance hall. Yeah man, and that one here by Demarco titled Rain. Trust me viewers and subscribers, big bad song and that juggling yeah. Yo, me I telling you say you a be it song then another juggling viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, that juggling just make me remember when dance all nice and you have all Riddim with be a positive tune. Oh that big bad Riddim they go again with Chimney Records, with Taurus Riley and all of them. I think Demarco himself depend on Riddim the twin viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, but me I tell you different, you see them type of juggling in a dance hall. Yeah man, it needed. And to me, it is also missing from dancehall viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, we could take in peace more than one man. Rain by Demarco.
Them over look what fame me do. Loyalty dog is all we need. Them try to put me in a mark, me can't believe.
Yeah man, powerful song with a powerful message. Demarco are telling us, you know, watching the friends them in the viewers. Yeah man, watch the ones them where they there with you right through. Cause most of us supposed to can relate to these viewers and subscribers. We have some real friends where they there with we through thick and thin. While you have some friends where maybe them there when they don't know the thing smooth, but they see as the thing get heated, you see as you falling at some look, yo, me they even want make it look like a negative thing, but trust me, you see when nothing not go on for you, you have some friends where we just cut and know say yo, Jano, nothing now go on for him no while. When nothing now go on for you have some real dog, we make you know say I want him to your charge. You can't just stay so you know you have to go jump out and make things happen. Cause if you're there so nothing now go happen for you same way. You see me? Yeah man, you have some friends where trust me, through motivation, through yo, maybe if I this about this, a friend that dead with you to brawl and know say, yeah man, we are gonna step with you in a charge here. That's the thing, the man are telling say, yo, do what you just there in the shade, you know. What you did when the rain all fall and dead in the rain, you know. You get me view?
I'm not the one in the shade. Pick up the dog, them will be standing at the rain with you. Bono. No for them a boy, and them no value.
And no care what. Every time a song drop, me no know, it just always bring me to talk about the rhythm, man. Because guess what? A good while and I get a rhythm with be a positive song upon it. You see me viewers here, man. Every song with upon the rhythm, man, trust me. You can't just sit back and play out the rhythm and just hold some deep meds. And if a ganja you go, trust me. If you are burn your ganja and listen out the rhythm, man, I swear to you. You know I go see what me I telling you about. Cause me nah lie. The song them tough pan already, man.
Big up all the day when them a check for me. Loyalty can't buy a shop, so watch your friend them on the best believe. I know the one in the shade.
Johnston, how are that?
Niceness, street vibes on the original red rum.
You don't tell him, man.
Gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and as we are talking about friend, man, Sean Sam share this in him story viewers. And in him story, I don't know if most of them say, yeah, him a promote him new song, Loyalty. That's why him tag the YouTube sign this up. But if you realize what him write, yes, so in the post viewers, you see me? Look what this saying of viewers, cause before I say what I'm gonna say, I want to read what this say with me. Siva saying on the post, me still are the only artist the G send a road that is accepted by his entire family. Now, what you call that? Loyalty, and him tag the YouTube song to Loyalty. Yeah man, that are the official video. And viewers, I notice, and I said this in an earlier vlog, Sean Storm come do that song where him do, I think about 4 years ago, he make sure come do that video and he must send a message out there too. And I make you know say, yo, none of them will say I talk about loyalty and loyal to the G. You see me? Cause none of them did that try help him. Remember interviewers, even right now say forward out and I show your message say, yo, at least him try. You see me? Yeah man, but Sean Sam I try make you know say, yo, none of them not real to the thing. And it left me to pray to because me see law boss over there and no, me not see none of the Gaza warrior them where as Sean Sam say where the G send a road. And no, me not see no video with them circle upon the Gaza block or you don't know, maybe them busy still and you don't know, them not on the time yet, but you don't know it go. Yeah man, me see video with law boss and me know say yo maybe if them circle would I see 1 and 2 video or see a 1 picture. Or maybe them hold it down, who for tell. But otherwise, from that viewers and subscribers, yeah man, Sean Storm I send a message in the post. I make you know say yo, none of them can forward around the family like how him would can there around the family certain way. Yeah man.
Big up the dog, them will be standing at the rain with you. Feel me dogs, me do the same. Dirty heart, I take them over, look what fear me do.
Yeah man, and before we go, Vybz Kartel, yeah man, has announced the venue for the show, the December 31st show. Yeah man, Freedom Street, live in concert, Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, as on the city flyer right here. Yeah man, National Stadium, and the ticket prices hasn't been released as yet. Yeah man, so the 31st of August, the World Boss, so yeah man, I'm going to release the ticket price, so we're going to grab the ticket as it released because we don't know it go. Yeah man, and we know I know one price, yeah man, about 4 or 5 different prices. Yeah man, we know that for a fact. So yeah man, we just stay tuned man. So big up on yourself, stay safe. Yeah man, Ryan Media. Please follow me on the IG. Like this video if you haven't liked this video as yet man, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Big up on yourself.
One thought. In our shells, she's talking. And we are representing for the baddest flag.